Hi everyone, this is Happy Rich Mama. This is our day one of our Chiang Mai tour. We are still in the train. We are riding the train for about 13 hours. But we ate at the train station, which was huge. It was beautiful. And so we didn't buy any food from the train. The Vietnamese noodle soup we had at the train station in Bangkok was, wow, super delicious. It's best to book your ticket online maybe a week before going there. We walked in and we couldn't get any sleeper train tickets. And when we were about quite near to Chiang Mai, we could feel that the temperature was quite cold in the early morning. And here we are, we finally arrived. Our taxi for today, and he's been very good. Thank you, Lalla Moo. We didn't really know how to begin our do-it-yourself tour, but what we decided was to get this taxi, and we were lucky to get him because he was very nice and very accommodating. And this is his taxi. It's like a jeepney in Manila. We are going to take the cable. You don't want to walk up and down. They're selling, I don't know if those are lotto tickets. This is what they call the cable car. The pocket landscapes around the area were very interesting. Although the plants were quite regular for me, like regular plants from tropical countries like the Philippines. We continued to move on until we reach an area where you have to take off your shoes and leave it under this tree. And then we would move on, and I found this langka tree very fascinating. I had to have a hug on that tree. Hug a tree if you have the time. We were always wearing our masks because it was quite populated. There were many people walking around, and even at the elevators for the cable car, there were many lining up. But of course, except when taking pictures. There were many visitors who were really actually meditating and praying and offering and lighting candles, but we were seated for a bit and perhaps it was time to meditate. Here we go to the restroom before heading out to ride the cable car. Hello, beautiful tree. We have one like this at the Manila Memorial Park. We noticed that they would allow monks or people in this kind of costume to go ahead and gave respect. Next destination, Karen tribe, long neck women. Come, follow
Travels,
us.
Gardens, Ikinobo Ikebana, Zero Waste Gardening, Making Money, Painting, Family, Friends, Prayers.
Please like my video.
Please ring the bell below for notifications.
Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.